We bought this Grill Meister Pizza Stone from Lidl for 10 euros.
We will make today a pizza from Lidl.
Yes, approximately 30 to 38 centimeters.
Suitable for ovens and barbecues.
Oh,
Cool.
that's good.
We can use it both way.
Yeah, and if you can see here, we remove the square so we can touch it.
Yeah.
So let's just open it up real quick.
Yeah. How can we open like this?
And there's on this side.
Ta-da!
Okay, it's big.
Pretty big. Cool.
Yeah.
Ah, we have a manual
Why do we need a manual?
to get about instructions for use and safety. Instruction for use. Put the product on the oven before heating it up. The sudden temperature change leads to cracks. It may cracks if you put it suddenly. Preheat the oven, add in the pizza stone for at least 30 minutes at the highest level. To bottom heat 250 degrees. Once pizza stone is heated sufficiently, place the pizza on the stone. The baking time depends on your recipe. After baking, remove the pizza from the pizza stone, turn the oven and let it cool down completely with pizza stone inside.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we know how it is. Let's put this stone on our oven.
In our oven. Yeah.
In.
Wow.
Wow.
Fancy.
Look at this. Let's go. Put it in the oven
Let's open the oven.
and put it in.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So it fits perfectly. Then
Now close it.
close the oven and we need to turn it on.
Up and down.
Where is it? Up and down. Yeah,
Up and down.
Into
The max.
250. It's enough.
Enough. And now let's wait for it to heat up.
30 minutes.
Yeah. Because in the supermarkets, vegetarian pizza is cheaper than the normal pizza. We've thought of an idea, of a tactic.
Yeah.
We add salami and cheese on our vegetarian pizza.
It's margherita pizza with crispy base, stone baked,
Stone baked.
and we have a stone to bake this pizza another time.
Yeah.
10 minutes in the manual.
Yeah.
Let's unbox it. This pizza from Lidl and this cheap
Yeah.
pizza from Lidl.
It has 3 pizzas inside.
How many?
3.
I can't open it. Okay. We have one pizza. It looks so pretty here,
Yeah.
but in reality it's
You
like
got clickbaited.
yeah. We bait this click.
Yeah. You got baited. I mean, maybe it will look better
After we bake it.
Yeah. Let's hope so.
Okay, let's add some
Let's make
cheese.
it more pretty.
Yeah.
So let's start with some cheese.
We need more cheese in this
We need
Cheap.
more cheese.
pizza.
Some cheese.
And we will add some salami
Yes.
sauce. Make this vegetarian pizza more vegetarian.
Let's hope we don't get hate comments. Okay, so let's put some cheese on top also, because we like cheese.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go put it in the oven.
Yes.
Let's put
Open
this
it and go back.
pizza on this oven. Oh, it's hot.
Wow, really?
And we need 10 minutes.
So put the time.
Yeah.
So in 10 minutes it'll be ready.
Will be okay. Our pizza is ready. Ready to eat. Wow, it's cool.
Always remember, hot air goes up, cold air goes down. Wow, looks so cool actually.
Yeah, it looks cool.
On the stone is actually faster.
Yeah,
In 12 minutes it's ready.
and it looks delicious. Let's
Yes.
test it.
Let's taste it. With our pizza cutter.
Okay.
Looks delicious.
It smells well too.
Yes, it does.
Okay, let's test
Yeah,
it.
let's try it.
But it's hot.
Very,
Give
very
me
hot.
a
Very,
piece.
very hot. One. It's mine. Take it.
Thank you.
But it's hot. Be
Okay.
careful.
Let's go.
It's hot.
Mmm,
Is it delicious?
it is indeed.
I will try to. Yeah, awesome.
Yes.
I like it.
Yeah.